Hi everyone, my name is Vasudha. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing some of the books on Bible stories for children. Since Easter is just a few weeks away, it's the best opportunity for us to educate our children about the life and times of Jesus and also share with them some interesting Bible stories. So let's dive in. So, first, here I have with me is a book called Famous Illustrated Bible Stories by Maple Kids. Now, this book is a collection of 16 stories, and this is both from the Old and the New Testament. And although it says it has 16 stories, but some of the stories have stories within them. So I would say roughly this book has a collection of about 25 stories. And it starts from the story of Adam and Eve and it goes up to the crucifixion of Jesus. And it has some very nice pictures and text over here. So if your kids, let's say, are in the age group of 6 to 8 years, they would be able to read these stories by themselves, and if they are younger, you can always read it to them. These are short and crisp stories and would give you a very good glimpse of the Bible. So, in this book, you would find the most famous stories from the Bible: David and Goliath, Jonah and the whale, and so on and so forth. So, do give this book a read with your kids. I'm sure they would enjoy this one. The next book that I have over here is called Wonderful Stories from the Bible for Children. Now, this book is also very good. It has, first of all, a hardcover. It comes in a hardbound copy. So, this is really beautiful even to gift to somebody. And here it is in detail. In the previous book, there were only a few stories, but this one is in detail, and it not just shares more stories from the Old and the New Testament, but it also gives a list of the books as they appear in the Bible. So your children can learn a lot about Bible from this book. It has more stories, like I said, from Old and New Testament both. I would say it has about 55 stories from the Old Testament and almost the same from the New Testament, and it has very cute pictures, very beautiful cute illustrations. Look at this. I mean, which kid would not like to read this book? It's so beautiful, and again, all the stories are explained so beautifully. What I also liked about this book is that each chapter or each story of the Bible begins with the scripture's name and also the exact verse where you can find it in the Holy Bible. So it talks about all these different stories and in a very simple, easy to understand language. And the paper quality is so good. It is thick, it is even glazed. So even if your kids read this book often, handle it on their own, they would not be able to tear off the pages. And all these stories are very, very interesting. They all carry a very important message. So these can also be read actually as moral stories for children. I don't see why anyone would not be interested to read these stories just because they belong to a particular religion. These have very, very important moral messages as well. So this book I would highly recommend for your kids if they want to learn about the life of Jesus or just learn a few moral stories. Although it says age 9 plus, but it's a very simple book, simple to read, easy text, and you can always read it to your children even if they are younger. Then another Bible stories book is by the Usborne Publishing, and it's called the Usborne Children's Bible. This one is so beautiful, as the cover itself shows, and it's a hardcover, again thick and hardbound, so no fear of the book tearing away. Even the pages are very thick and they are very glazed, so it adds texture to your books and you enjoy reading them. And you are flipping pages like these, which are so beautiful and thick and glazed, you enjoy your reading, isn't it? So again, this book has collection of Bible stories from the Old and the New Testament, and again every page has such vivid and beautiful photos. The illustrations make all the difference whenever you are helping your child to read. So again, these are fascinating, beautiful illustrations, and the language is again very simple to follow, very easy to understand. Every page has its own unique border. I mean, this is so colorful that every child, I'm sure, would be drawn to this book. And again, the most important stories from the Bible, from both Old and New Testaments, are shared over here. So like I mentioned earlier, that Bible stories have very important moral messages, and do share them with your children, even if you do not follow Christianity or you do not follow Bible. But these are stories that you would really like to read to your children, and they are very beautifully arranged and so beautiful to even look at them. See how nicely they have illustrated it, and the simple words make all the difference. Your children will be very pleased with you if you get them such kind of books, so beautiful and so pretty. Next I have here is a collection of 10 books. This is actually a set of 10 books which you can also buy individually. It's cost effective to get them in a pack of 10 as compared to getting them solo. But if you want to try one book first, then you can always go and choose from a variety of books that are available from this collection. And these books are by Pegasus, so you can always go on to Amazon and check for the Pegasus Bible stories. Now I got 2 sets. I'll show you the other one also. Each set of 10 books have different collections, so that makes a total of 20 books. And you can also have more books because there are over 30 books in this Bible stories series by Pegasus. So I got both the sets, and here you will find many books like David and Goliath, The Fall of Jericho, Moses, and some of the stories which are not included in these sets. Like I said, you can always buy them separately to continue with the series or to continue with the chronology. So this is what I plan to do, that even though I have got the 2 sets, but I'm still going to fill in the gaps in these stories for continuation purpose, and I'm going to buy separately the books which are not part of the set. Now let's see first how these books look from inside. So let me just open one book for you. And again, these books have very big, nice illustrations. In fact, this book has slightly, I would say, difficult words, or I would say big words for kids. So this book would also help your kids to enrich their vocabulary. But I really loved the illustrations, and my son totally loves these books. We've already read quite a few. These arrived just 2 days back, but we've managed to read quite a few because he loved them so much and he's familiar with the Bible stories. But in this form, he really liked to view it. The visuals are really very good, and the story is also also very easy to follow. In fact, these stories are detailed. I did not find these many details in the story in the other Bible stories that I have shown you. So if you want to do, say, an in-depth story to story reading of the Bible, then I would say go for this collection. This will be cost effective, and also you can choose separately. So these are very, very useful for the children if they want to do, detailed reading of the Bible, and they enjoy all these characters. So you can go for this one. I'll also show you the other set that I got. So this collection has different stories, and here you would find again a mix of both Old and New Testament stories, and all of them are really very interesting. And because Easter is just around the corner, so you can always educate your children, make them learn something new about the life of Jesus, and they will surely thank you for such precious gifts and valuable education that you are going to share with them. Let's take a look at this book. This also has same format, text as well as photos. These photos are really very good. I mean, I must say that these big photographs are very, very catchy for children, and the text also is very good, very nicely written, very detailed, and there is no, I would say, error, not even grammatical error, and no error in the content also. So the content also is absolutely fine, and that's that. So I hope you like this collection of books on Bible stories, and I hope that you will get at least some of them for your children on Easter or before Easter, and help them to learn about the life of Jesus. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you and bye.